Hello and good afternoon. My name is Casey Martin, one of the leasing professionals here at AMLI South Lake Union, and today we'll be taking a brief video tour of our C4x floor plan. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. So we'll start right from the entry here down this hallway. On the left side, you'll have your large coat closet, plenty of storage space for your items here at the end of this hallway. This will be your washer and dryer behind the door. All the appliances at AMLI properties are going to be certified Energy Star, high efficiency, low cost. Let's venture right to the first bedroom here, get you a good look at the size of the bedroom, the walk-in closet, and the view as well. This unit is facing north from our Phase 2 building. So this particular unit, especially come spring and summer, will receive a lot of natural sunlight, which is fantastic. As you see there, that is a thermostat to control the heating. We are a LEED Silver certified community, so all of our thermostats are programmable. Very nice, help to maintain those costs, keep them nice and low. Let's venture off to the first bathroom here. Nice. Large size bathroom, sculpted molded tub, built-in soap dishes for storage. And then we get to the sink area, gorgeous quartz stone countertops, large mirror. And yes, it's a nice large size bathroom, plenty of counter space and storage space as well. Let's continue down the hallway. You'll have an additional closet here. More storage space for your goods, your items. And bedroom number 2, which will be in this unit similar in size as the first bedroom. Let's go ahead and take a look here. And in this particular bedroom, you will have 2 closets. The other is behind the entry door right there. And now this particular bedroom, this one does provide fairly decent views of South Lake Union, even a bit of the lake as well. So very nice. Again, lots of natural light. And then of course, this is going to be the second bathroom. Nice size, comfy tub. Both of the bathrooms will also have extra storage in there as well for your linens and things. And then of course, the counter space, quartz stone countertops. So very nice, plenty of room to move around. Okay, and we will continue on with the tour into the main living space here. Now this is a corner unit, northwestwardly facing. And so you are going to get a lot of natural light in this apartment. Especially come spring and summer months, you'll be in an abundance of wonderful, rejuvenating natural light. And take a look at that. That's the spectacular Lake Union right out your window, Queen Anne Hill, and the local South Lake Union neighborhood. Very nice. So let me go ahead and back up and scan over to the kitchen area. Here we go. So with all the appliances in the kitchen, stainless steel, again, certified Energy Star, high efficiency, low cost. You of course will have pantry space for all your food items, plenty of covered space, as well as below. And then there you have fantastic honeycomb backsplash with, again, the white quartz stone countertops, very fine touches and amenities. Double basin sink, garbage disposal, of course. And then we go ahead and back out to give you a sense of the size of this space. And I may have failed to mention ceiling fans. You'll have ceiling fans in the bedroom, as well as the main living room space in all of our apartments. These are quiet, super efficient, and can really help a lot in those warmer months to keep the temperature nice and cool here for you. We do, as an alternative, as an option, do also offer portable AC units to rent as well for those warmer months at just a moderate cost per month. But here you go to get a sense of the overall size and scope. Plenty of space for your living room and dining room furniture. You'll have multiple connections for your cable and Ethernet, one here and also the other there, so you're not stuck to have your system in one location. You have options here. And so yes, well, let's go ahead and get you one last look here from the view. And so yes, I want to thank you for taking this moment to tour. This is again our C4x floor plan in our phase 2 building here at AMLI South Lake Union. It has been my pleasure to tour this with you. If you have any questions about any of our apartments, please feel free to give us a call. Area code 206-577-0006. Thank you very much, and y'all have a great day.